Welcome to Stylarc's Lennie Overshirt front tab sewing tutorial. This sewing pattern has a skill level of medium to challenging. Okay, let's quickly look at the helpful hints for the Lennie Overshirt. The first thing is the seam allowance is 1 cm and 6mm on the curve. Make sure that you transfer notch markings from your pattern pieces to your fabric, but be careful not to clip deeper than the seam allowance. We chose to use a contrasting top stitching thread. Select a lightweight fuse for your front tab, and we recommend the block fusing method. We recommend using an erasable pen or marker to transfer the box X stitch marking to your front tab. Erasable pens and markers disappear with the application of heat, like the iron, but please test on a scrap of fabric before using. RST means right side together, WST means wrong side together, and RSU means right side up. Ensure that the front tab is fused with lightweight interfacing. With right sides together, fold the front tab in half lengthways. Sew around the pointed end as far as the notch. Clip the corners, turn to the right side and press the raw edges under 1 cm. With the front facing up, clip into the corners of the cutaway as shown on the pattern. Fold the bottom edge down on the right side and press. Slide the left front tab onto the front, sandwiching the left body raw edge in between the folded edges and pin in place. Sew the bottom edge of the tab to the cutout. This will be covered by the right tab. Edge stitch the left front tab into place. Slide the right front tab onto the front, sandwiching the main raw edge in between. Pin in place. Edge stitch starting at the neck, edge stitch around the outer edge of the right tab, then around the point and corners. Lay the right tab over the left tab and mark a box X stitch as shown on the pattern. Lay the right tab over the left tab and stitch a box X stitch as shown on the pattern. Now apply heat to remove a erasable pen or marker. Congratulations! Now that you've learnt how to attach the front tab to your Lennie Overshirt, you can work towards completing the rest of the garment. We can't wait to see your finished Lennie Overshirt, and be sure to tag @StyleArc and hashtag #SA Lennie Overshirt so that we can share it with our wider StyleArc community.